guys, so if you ever wanted to record your screen but wasn't exactly sure how to do it or was intimidated by some of the other softwares out there like OBS, I'm going to show you a really quick and easy, a very beginner friendly and user friendly way how to record your screen. Maybe you want to record a presentation you're doing on your computer, and maybe you want to record a tutorial to upload it to a new YouTube page you're doing. So this is an easy way how to record your screen, and we're just going to go straight into Canva for that. Canva.com. You do not need a pro account. We're going to go over to the left and click uploads, and that's where you're going to see record yourself. So there's two options. So you can do the screen record. You're going to go right over here to the right. This is the settings tab, and you can just record your screen, or you can also record your screen and you can record yourself right here in this window with your webcam. So right now it's on no camera when you click this, and you can choose which camera you want. If you purchase a separate camera and that you have on your computer, you're probably going to say the same thing as mine, USB camera. So if you just have a webcam that you bought and you plug it in via USB in back of your laptop or computer, and it's sitting on top of your computer, that's going to be that one. It'll probably say USB like mine. It could say the brand of it, could say Canon, it could say Logitech, something like that. And then this one I know is the built-in camera that comes with my computer, because I looked that up. And so if you want that, you would click that. So whichever one. But most people like to present and talk right here, so that's how you're going to use that feature. And if you don't want it, and when that goes away, you just click this settings right here, and you're just going to go back to no camera, and it shuts off. Also, over here on this side, it doesn't really say anything, but there's a little icon, expand, and you can kind of use this as a teleprompter, add your notes. So if you're speaking or you have like some notes to say or a presentation, instead of reading it on paper, you can copy and paste it or type it right here, and it will show up only to you, and you can read it while you're doing a presentation over here. And then you can expand that or put it back in the side panel. So let's go back here one more time, and we just want to say we're just going to record our screen. So you can record a Chrome tab, like I say I want to just record this. It's a tab in my Google Docs. I would click that, and it would show this page, and I would do my presentation, and I would record this page. And when you're stopping, you just do stop sharing, but when you want to go back and see it, you go right here. So you toggle back and forth from there. But when you're ready, you have to click record. Okay, and then let's see, if sometimes this option, the tab option, you can't save and exit for some reason. I don't know why, if it's a little glitch within Canva. Let me see if it works right now. Okay, so it says it's recording the screen. So let's go back here and get so this, you would go back, and then this is when you would speak. It's going to pick up your mic, and you're going to do your tutorial, share your screen, and then we have to done. And we're going to, I guess, if I do stop sharing, sometimes this doesn't work. So I'm going to do here, save and exit, and it's going to save it right in my uploads in Canva. It's not going to download it to my computer. It's supposed to save it right here in videos. There it is. It's saving it, and it pops it right into this presentation. And And from there you can add any, so if you just want to show that, you can just crop it. If you just want to show that. So you can edit it straight from here. You can add an element of, you can put your logo up here. You can use a graphic design here. Just click all and say this is your logo. You saved it. If you saved your logo, it'll be in uploads, but you can add your logo to your presentation or anything you need to add. If you need it from your uploads, it's going to be in here. If you need to bring it in to your uploads, you just have to upload it right here from your computer. You're going to upload it. Okay, so now you have this screen saved. Go to settings, screen, and say we want to record our window, a whole window that we have open, or an entire screen. You can do that too. I have two screens here, two monitors. So if I choose this, my second monitor, which OBS is up right now, and it's showing right now in live time my video, I can share that. And this right here is where you choose your microphone. I'm sorry I didn't show that before, but I have a microphone plugged in. So it's the USB microphone I purchased separately. But if you want the microphone that's in your computer, you're going to use that microphone, whatever one is in there that you want to use. You choose that too as well. When you're doing the settings, you're choosing camera and a mic. And it's going to share that, which is my OBS screen. It's kind of doing an overlay because normally we would do this in another window, but I'm just showing you the other options, how it can record a tab, a window, or a whole screen. So if I want to record this screen, this is what OBS looks like. I'm going to click, let me just click hide, and I'm going to click record right here. Okay, so it's recording, and this is OBS, so you can see my mouse moving. So anything that I have open on this monitor, I can like toggle back and forth to, and it's good if you're doing a tutorial or anything like that. You want to just do your whole screen, so you can go back and forth to different tabs if you're not just recording one tab or using one tab in your video. Say you're showing how to do multiple things, it might be easier to record just the whole entire screen because you can just go back and forth. And I'm gonna choose done and save and exit. And it recorded right there. And I'm just going to add a page and slide this down. And that's right there. So that is the quick and easy way that you can record your screen and edit right after that. Easy, very easily on Canva with no downloads, because the OBS downloading will slow up your computer. Every time I use it, it makes my computer very slow. So this is just an easy, quick way. You can record it right in Canva, and then you can edit it right then and there. If you're not familiar with Canva yet, I'm going to do some more tutorials, but say this is all edited and you're ready to go, you're going to click right up here to the share option, the download option, and you're going to choose how you want it to download. If it's a video, it's going to download as a video. If it's a picture, PNG. If it's a PDF. So you have different options. So this is perfectly fine the way it is. And then say you only want to download the second page. You would just unclick that first presentation page and click done and download it. Or if you want to download both pages, you click done and you click download right here, and it will download right to your desktop and you can get it in your files. Okay guys, stay tuned for the next tutorial and comment below if you want any other tutorials on anything else. Just let me know and I'll be sure to add that to the playlist.